I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlyne.
You're doing so good. You're doing so good.
Weston, stop.
You're doing so good. So good. Just keep smiling.
Stop.
Okay, go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video is going to be a fall house tour plus decorate with me. So I'm going to first decorate the entire home with you guys. I filmed all of it, and then I'm gonna take you guys around and show you everything that I put out. So I thought it'd be fun to show everything that I have out for this season. I will try to link everything down below. Yeah, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Follow me on Instagram because I will have a ton of fall pictures and like fall fashion and stuff, and you're moving the camera up. So yeah, give it a thumbs up and let's jump into the decorating. All right, you guys, I'm in my kitchen, and behind me you can see this little like fall floral thing that I put together. I did make another video called Prepping for Fall where I did some home decor. I cleaned up and prepped for fall, obviously, so it's a super fun video. I will link it down below. I want to actually like put everything out that I already have from last year and even previous years, because if you guys have seen my fall videos, like I have bought a lot of fall stuff, so I have a lot of things. But this home is obviously a lot bigger than our last home, which is why I feel like I can go a little crazy. There's just more places to put fall decor, and Weston already told me that I can go crazy with the fall decor, and he wants me to have a fall wonderland or something like that. So you know what, I'm good. I'm going for it. He told me I could. So yeah, let me show you guys what I currently have. I'm just gonna do a quick overview and then we're gonna start decorating. Here's the whole kitchen space. I only have that in the middle because honestly, I feel like I want to keep the counter pretty bare just because I do cook on here often. And then it just gets too cluttered and it kind of closes off the kitchen if I put something too big. But maybe I can add a few like pumpkins around right there in the middle. Oh yeah, that might be cute. And then over here, I just have my little pumpkin spice. I do already have some pumpkin little kitchen towels. That's pretty much it for the fall stuff. I did get that new garland, although the tag still is on it just because I'm not 100% sure if I'm sold on it, or if I feel like I liked my setup last year more than this year, which doesn't make any sense. But that might also be because I haven't put out like the actual placemat. These plates don't like really match this. I feel like they're a little too dark for like the whole fall theme. I'm thinking maybe I could even do my garland from last year across here. I guess we'll see where I end up putting stuff. Oh yeah, fall pillows. That's why I didn't fix these, because I know that I'm gonna put new ones out here. And yeah, let's get to, oh, actually, you know what? I might want to change these three out, which is what I love about this whole setup that I did. These are just frames. The prints are from Etsy, so I love just going on Etsy and finding prints. So I'm thinking of going on Etsy right now and finding like a very kind of simple, like minimalist, kind of like bushy. If you guys saw the last video, Weston called it like the itchy vibes. So kind of like itchy vibes. So I'm thinking a print that has like some simple florals that kind of look like that in like simple kind of fall colors. Does that make sense? You guys will see it if I end up doing it. So. Okay, pillows are done. Pretty simple. It's so funny because on our last couch, which was way smaller, those pillows took up like the entire couch. But I kind of like how like more simple this is. I did end up ordering the prints right now, so you guys will see them in a little bit. They'll be ready in a few hours. Whew, I'm out of breath. For the coffee table, I do want to do something, and I have this guy over here that I pulled out. Okay, it actually looks really cute here. So, okay, let's move on to the whole table setting, because I feel like this is what's gonna kind of set the entire mood. And I have a huge bin of stuff. I forgot I had these super cute napkins. These are perfect.
Can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark.
For silver, I have these gold spoons, forks, knives from World Market, so I will link them down below. I used them for my holiday setup last year, but I feel like they'll go good with this also.
I'll be
Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. I look like I'm ready for a Thanksgiving feast. Okay, see, now I love the garland. Now I can take the tab off because it looks so much better with the runner down the middle. I am sweating. I pulled out a few more things. I feel like this is kind of actually most of it. It's just crazy because like I said, at my last home, it was a lot smaller, so it felt like it was like fall through up everywhere. Please don't mind the sweat. This time it seems like pretty spaced out. It looks really good. I don't know if I need to go get anything more. Okay, here's what it looks like. I feel like it's kind of simple while still making a statement, so I love it. The garland looks so pretty. The candles and like the centerpiece I put right there. Okay, I'm back from Office Depot. Basically what I do is I go on Etsy, I download a file there, and then I send it to my local print shop, which for me was Office Depot. It's kind of hard to tell, I think, on this camera, but these are some like white pampas. They look so pretty. They have like some like beige undertones, and then these are the ones that are more like fall, but I just love them because I could actually use them after fall season. Like, it doesn't have to be just for this season, but they're these little orange poppies. I just love how like clean and minimal it is. And then this one, the third one, is almost identical to that one, but it is a little bit different. And yeah, those are the 3 prints that I'm gonna put on these frames that I have right here. So I'm gonna bring these down right now, replace them, and then put them back up, and it's gonna look so good. Voila, this is the middle one.
I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark.
Teamwork, teamwork, teamwork.
I'll be your light.
Now on to the fall house tour portion. I'm starting outside because I have to show you guys this super cute sign. We have had this since our last home. It says hello fall, and now we can actually put it outside, and it's so cute. And then the wreath that I did show you guys in my last video also, it's like the gold, or like golds, yellows, burnt oranges, a little bit of red, but really woodsy. I feel like that's kind of the theme. It's kind of like woodsy, but like a true fall feel, you know? Let's go inside.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Okay, so right when you walk in the entryway, I have this kind of little floral thing going on. What are these called? Kind of like a wheat kind of thing?
No, itchy trees. That's what they're called.
No, and so I put them in this vase that I had. I feel
itchy.
like it is super messy because I think it is a real plant. It's just dried
out.
Yeah. So I love the look of it, and I actually want to keep this even after the whole fall season is over. Like, it just gives it like a natural, you know, kind of woodsy, grassy feel.
Yeah.
Okay, and then right over here, I did add a few pumpkins. So I have this little glass pumpkin, a simple little white pumpkin. That's pretty much it for the entryway. Okay, but let's move on to the kitchen. Let's move on to the table. It's probably like the main focal piece of the entire like downstairs living room area. So this this garland down the middle is from Hobby Lobby that we just got the other day. I love the way it looks. Weston's the one who actually suggested putting a table runner under because without it, it just looked like it was
just blends in, yeah.
To the table, and it didn't
because the
look good.
table's brown and this wreath is
so
brown
couldn't really
tones.
See it, and you couldn't see how like beautiful the colors are in it, but now you could totally see it. And then I have these chargers. I will link down below. I believe these are from World Market. They're just these jute chargers that I've had. I feel like they go with so many things. So those are the jute chargers. I do have gold silverware that's super cute, and I even use it for like our holiday season stuff because it just goes well and it just looks so pretty. So I will link that down below also. Then there's these little like gold super simple napkins with little pumpkins on them, so they're so cute, huh?
Well, quick question.
Yes.
Am I gonna be able to eat dinner on these?
Yes, you could, babe.
I can. All right.
The plates on top.
Woohoo!
And then I also have like little random pumpkins throughout. They're just sprinkled throughout. Okay, let's move on to the island. The island I kept super simple. I mentioned this. I don't like to close it off, which is why I only put these little kind of like fall florals in the middle. And they are in a black vase. And if you guys don't know, like blacks and whites are kind of like the theme of my whole home. So still going with the whole theme. And then I added all these little pumpkins. Do they look a little random?
No, I think they had a little, but you know me, I don't know anything about decor, so.
They feel a little random, but at the same time, like they look cute. Like they're just like, look at me, like I'm just cute, like
just
sprinkled on there.
It's all about the little touches that really set the place
That's what I
off.
feel like. They're just like little touches.
Yeah.
They add a little something so it looks like fallish. I thought they were kind of cute. Who knows? I might get over them
and then you can get rid of them. Guess what? They're not glued on. Am I right? All right, let's continue this fall tour.
Okay, over here.
Oh, you just whipped yourself in the face.
Okay, over here, I did show this to you guys in my other prepping for fall video also, but I have my whole little coffee station, and next to it, I have this little guy that says Happy Pumpkin Spice Season. How cute is that? So that's from, where is it from? Home Goods, I think?
Yeah, Home Goods.
Yeah, and then I have a little marble skeleton head right over there.
Because there's still a little bit of evil in her.
That's not why. It was in the old box, so I just added it there. Okay, let's move on to the bookshelf over here. So on this little bookshelf guy, I have this little, what are these called? Sugar skull.
Sugar skull, yeah.
A little sugar skull guy. It looks so pretty. And then I have this little marble pumpkin that I showed you guys in my last. Okay, and then I also have this really pretty like silver glass pumpkin. That's pretty much it for this. Also, by the way, I will link my like official home tour down below because that video actually links like all like the big furniture pieces that you guys see because I still get a ton of questions. So I'm not gonna go over all that. This video would be like an hour long, but like for example, like this bookshelf, that'll be in that other video. Let's move on to the living room. Oh, right here, right here, right here.
Okay.
This little guy. That is the freaking cutest thing I've ever seen, and Weston found that.
I found it. I saw it.
Did you really think I was gonna like it?
I didn't know if you were gonna like it. I was kind of just like, oh, that's funny.
Just pointing it out,
Pointing.
like, oh, look at this random little thing. I was like, that is the freaking cutest thing. Apple cider donuts, caramel glazed apple cider donuts. It's like a little vending machine, and it looks like vintage and cute and like so like fall. Like it just like makes you want to go like outside and like maybe get some caramel apples and stuff.
Maybe.
Yeah, it's so cute. And then let's move on to the media set. Okay, so I added this garland that we got last year. I believe this is from World Market. It's just like simple, but it still gives obviously like the woodsy fall vibes because of the little orange and stuff on it. And then this little, what is it called? Like a little log? Kind of like.
Yeah, it's a piece of wood with candles in it.
Little candles. So cute. Also my little squirrel guy that I got that I showed you guys in the other video. So cute. I love him so
Literally
much.
got the squirrel guy just because he was cute.
He is so cute.
Yeah.
I know. And then little silver pumpkin right here. Over here I have kind of like these little bunches of like wheatgrass.
Yeah.
Just put candles on top. But yeah, I like the way they look. And then I also had this little pumpkin from last year as well. Okay, now we can move over to the pillows. The pillows are all honestly like assortments from Home Goods. I think most of them Home Goods and maybe a few from Target. And then on the coffee table, I showed you guys this little pumpkin decor piece. It's pretty big and it covers the entire coffee table. I was kind of contemplating adding it or not, but I feel like it looks pretty, right?
Yeah, I think it looks pretty good.
And pretty in fall.
I just don't know where I'm gonna put all my
remotes,
drinks, my video gaming.
Not on the coffee table. That's why there's little spaces in there so you can store your stuff away in there.
Is this what other men have to deal with when there's decor?
Okay, and then probably my favorite part of this entire home and everything that I did, and I'm so glad I did it, is these prints on the wall. So that was kind of my whole thing. Whenever I got the other prints in the first place, I knew that I would be able to change them out anytime. So I bought these huge frames from Michael's, and then I just changed the prints whenever I want. So I added these ones.
Now they're fall prints.
But they're not like too fall.
No, you're right.
They're like so universal, but they also fit with the whole fall theme, you know?
Yeah.
So yeah, those are gonna stay up for a while. Then I realized, you know what? When Christmas and stuff comes around, I could change them to like holiday pictures.
Yeah, perfect. Holiday picture. I'm so excited. I live for decor, and I hope people can hear my sarcasm. But you know what it is? It makes Arlyne happy, so it makes me happy. Yeah. I don't know much about decor, but the house always looks nice. It looks clean, and I appreciate her love for decor.
That's everything. It looks so pretty and cute. I love seeing it. Like, look at this. Doesn't it look so cute and pretty?
Yeah.
Does it make you happy?
It's just a fall wonderland in here.
It is.
And it's September 1st.
No, it's gonna hit the 3rd or 4th.
Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, I know. The longer we can keep this up, the better.
I know, I'm just kidding.
All right, so that's gonna be everything for this entire video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe, turn on your post notifications, check the description box down below. That's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Since it's the first week of fall, we must light one candle and pray to the fall gods. Ha ha ha. Each candle represents each week in fall.
There's only 5 weeks in fall?
Yes.
Okay.
There's 5 weeks in fall. Isn't there?
No, I don't know.
Or is there 4? How many weeks
No.
in fall?
Fall? September, October to November.
Oh, shoot.
Like-
Each candle represents a month of fall.
There's not 5 months either.
If the last candle does not burn, we lose a month of fall.
Oh my gosh. Okay, babe.
Ha ha ha.